In 1985, Mercedes-Benz premiered the second.
You can wax a car the hard way.
Get tough. Protect your car with Meguiar's lifetime polysealer.
There's only one wax Gary will use on his priceless collection, Meguiar's.
And we refer to compounds as rocks in the bottle because if you've ever used a polishing or a rubbing compound, you know, yeah, they'll solve the original problem, but then they leave behind a lot of scratches that they've induced themselves. We have at last come up with this amazing product. We call it Ultimate Compound. This compound will cut faster than any compound you've ever used and yet leave the finish where it almost looks perfect in one step, and yet it won't scratch the finish.
If you have a dark-colored vehicle and are looking for the absolute deepest gloss possible, you'll want to apply deep crystal polish before applying a wax. It's also a good choice if you just had your car painted and you'd like to polish your car during that all-important curing process when you're not allowed to apply traditional wax.
$80,000 race car, and you don't have all day to wax it. So when performance counts, get Meguiar's Fast Finish. It goes on that easy and wipes off that fast, leaving a deep, deep professional shine. Fast Finish, the effortless wax. When performance counts and you don't have all day, get Meguiar's Fast Finish, the effortless way to a long-lasting professional shine.
Where's your trailer?
I drove.
In the rain? With that shine? Where's all the water residue and road grime?
Took care of that in a snap.
Meguiar's Ultimate Quick Detailer. New hydrophobic polymer technology.
Water beat it up, wiped right off.
Wait, I could have had the fun of driving here and had a shine like that?
Work smarter, not harder. Use Meguiar's.
In 1985, Mercedes-Benz premiered the second generation of the popular T-models, replacing the 8-year-old version from Series 123. Engines, brakes, and chassis were also adapted to the higher payload. The multi-link rear suspension is also installed in the T-Sedan, which comes serially with hydro-pneumatic leveling system and a damper strut front axle.